Hey girl, in this video, I want to break down what digital products actually are in a very simple way because a lot of women hear phrases like digital product, passive income, or online business, but they still are not fully sure what people are actually selling online. So today, we're going to make this simple, clear, and very beginner friendly. So go grab your pen and paper because we are not playing around. I'm Abigail. I run this Faceless YouTube channel to help women to learn how to make money online using creativity, searchable content, and simple digital business systems. You do not need to become an influencer to buy or build any income online, okay? You just need a strategy. You need consistency and the willingness to start. So I am a real woman behind this faceless channel, and as you can see, her name is Abigail. Okay, so let's get into the video for today. Now, we're going to talk about digital products equal products delivered online. Okay, so some examples of digital products are PDFs, ebooks, templates, courses, guides, and printables. A digital product is just a simple product someone can buy and they can access online. There's no shipping, there's no inventory, no boxes sitting in your garage. The customer purchases the product and receives it digital. So usually they'll get an email, maybe like a download page, sometimes a membership area or a digital platform. Okay. Why so many women are selling digital products? Because, first of all, low startup costs, flexibility, mobile friendly, no inventory, and you can sell repeatedly. One main reason digital products became so popular, especially here in 2026, is because they are very flexible. Like women can create them and sell them from home, from your phone, especially using apps like Canva, while homeschooling, while working a job, while building a softer lifestyle. And unlike physical products, you don't have to keep like rebuying inventory. Now, the common digital products that you may hear online are ebooks, journals, planners, templates, online workshops, digital guides, spreadsheet, and even some business tools. Some of the most digital products are things that people already use every day anyway. So things like it helps you to solve a problem. It helps you to save time. It helps you to organize your life, teach a skill, or something easier. Okay, and honestly, simple products often do better than complicated ones. Now, how people make money in this area and how digital products create the actual income is basically you create it, you upload it to a platform like Beacons or Stand Store, and you market it. So you use content like you can use a faceless content like I'm doing now, or you can show your face, but you have to market it. That means you can use video marketing, you can use social media marketing, like you can post on Instagram. But the point of that marketing is you want to point people to your digital product, so you need to sell it. The basic process usually just looks like that, period. Someone just creates the product, upload it online, markets it through content, and people purchase. Now, of course, there's strategy involved, right? But at the core, digital business is really about solving problems and helping people. That's it. You are marketing to people. Your money is not from the sky. Okay. It's from other people. Okay. You do not always have to create from scratch, though. And this is something I really want beginners to really understand. Some women create their own digital products, but other women start with licensed products, done for you systems, resellable products, affiliate opportunities. I talked about that in the last video about Faceless. The same thing, okay? This helps many beginners start faster while learning digital marketing skills at the same time. So you're learning while you are out here creating your content so that you can sell, okay? Now, what people get wrong about digital products is that some people think that it's instant money and it's not. Some people think it's fully passive. It is not. Okay. Or you think you don't need to market it. Yes, you do. Okay. Now, I'm going to be honest. A lot of people online making, some people make it so magical. I'm not going to make this magical. I am in this video, I am creating content. If you see what I am doing, do what not don't do what I say, watch what I do. Okay? Watch what I do. I am creating content. I am giving value, but I have digital products that I personally did not create. I have communities that I didn't create, and I'm selling them because they solve problems. Okay. But when it comes to digital products, whether you make them or not, they still require visibility. They still require marketing. It's what I'm doing now. It still requires consistency. Now, this is a new YouTube channel, but you're going to see me upload twice a week because that's my consistency. Okay. Also, trust. That's why I'm uploading 2 times a week to teach and to pour into you because I want you to trust me. I know when you trust, you buy. We're all human. That's how this works, okay? And you got to have content. This is not set it and forget it, okay? The good news is you do not need to become loud or performative to build this type of business. You do not, okay? Now, my strategy, my goal is on this channel to get to 100 videos, okay? 100 videos. When I get to 100 videos, I know then I can stop making videos. Okay. The goal is to get to 100. I got my strategy. I'm uploading twice a week, how long it's going to take me. But when I get to the 100 videos, once they are done, I'm going to be not done with the channel, but my goal is that my videos are going to work for me, which is why I love YouTube, because my videos work for me and they're going to continue to work for me, and I'm going to continue to make money. So you get to see me if you subscribe. You're going to be able to see this from the very beginning and how I grow. That's the point and why I do this, because I want women and a few good men. I want you to see this in live action. Okay. Now, content helps people to discover you. That's one of the biggest shifts online right now in searchable content, like YouTube, right? Pinterest or blogs. Allow your content to keep working long after you post it. That's why many women are now combining digital products, searchable content, and faceless marketing to create softer online businesses. Okay. Now, digital products work well for women who want flexibility. Okay, you want freedom, you want extra income, you want a peaceful business, you want to be creative, you want location freedom. This business model works really well for those type of women like me, who want that flexibility and creativity, especially women who do not want a traditional job forever. Okay, who want additional income, who want something mobile, or simply want more peace in their life. Who doesn't, right? So you don't need to know everything to get started, okay? A lot of women delay starting because they think, oh my God, I got to have the perfect website. I need the perfect product, the perfect branding. But honestly, clarity usually comes after action. That's real talk. Most successful women online started before they were fully ready. Okay. I've been online for a very long time, but I know that, hey, creating a faceless brand is another stream of income. And it's also a way for me to pour into you without showing my face. So I can sit in my pajamas and drink my coffee and do these videos. And this is and plus being creative with Abigail. Even though she has my voice, I am making her a real life person. So my goal is to share my creativity with you as well. Okay. So if you are interested in learning more about digital products, faceless income, and simple online business systems, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And if you're ready to start your own soft life business, I left resources for you below. Okay. Let's go.